Does it feel like the crypto market is like the wild, wild west when it comes to keeping your investment safe?
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So how do you invest in crypto to make big money and stay clear of all the scams? The best way is to know what scams are used so they can be spotted if you ever get yourself pulled into one.
Like that's ever gonna happen.
So in this video, we dive in and uncover 3 crypto scams happening this year. Everything from the most common to the most sneaky traps that always catch unsuspecting investors. The first scam is the rug pull. The rug pull, or the pump and dump, is the most common and a favorite of big-time scammers due to its effectiveness. The rug pull uses 3 parts to take advantage of unsuspecting investors. The first part is the accumulation phase. This phase is when insiders to the scam slowly accumulate coins or tokens. They do it in a way to not increase the price. This can be done for weeks or months prior to the next phase. Once the insiders have their positions in place, they initiate the next phase, which is called the pump.
Always, guys, respect the pump.
Now, this is when the insiders will create a bunch of hype to drive up interest and the price. This can be done by paying influencers or media companies to promote the investment. If you see multiple influencers promoting the same investment, that is a red flag that it could be a rug pull. In some cases, the influencers will have been given coins or tokens and is set to benefit from the scam. So if you see an influencer heavily promoting a coin or token that is a red flag, it could be a scam too. Then once the price has been ramped up to an unsustainable level, that is when the last phase starts, called the dump. The dump is when everyone in on the scam sells all at once, essentially removing all liquid market value in the investment. This phase can happen quickly and without warning. The most famous rug pull was the Squid Game coin.
And now the mark. Oh! Oh! It went to 0! EO!
Millions were removed from the investment in minutes, taking every dollar of genuine investors' money and driving the price down to nothing. This scam can happen on larger crypto investment platforms too, so don't think using one of those reduces the risk of being scammed. The best way to protect against being caught in a rug pull is to invest in more established cryptos. And if highly speculative, high-risk investments are your thing, then only allocate a very small portion of capital to not lose it all or not participate in hype investments in the first place. Investors lose everything all the time. So now you're aware of how almost 55% of investors have been scammed. The next scam is a bit more tricky to prevent as it preys on people's open trust. And this one is airdrop phishing. Airdrop phishing is a growing type of scam. You may have heard the word airdrop and wondered what it meant. Airdrop is a feature for Apple products that makes sharing media easy and quick, and many iPhone users enable this setting as it makes life easier with friends and family. However, this is the same as trusting everyone who can send you something, which is everyone on the internet with an Apple device. This open trust is how scammers attack victims. The way it works is a scammer will send out an airdrop that victims have won free crypto or NFTs, saying it will be awarded to their crypto wallet automatically or needs to be claimed on a website that requires login info. When this happens, the airdrop will request that the victim to log into their wallet to receive the free crypto. When that happens, the airdrop or website records all passwords and are sent to the scammer. The scammer then empties the wallet or resets all the passwords and takes control of the wallet. Either way, the victim loses everything. So if an airdrop notification pops up saying free crypto or NFTs and requests to log into your wallet or visit a website, this is a red flag. It is a scam. Too good to be true stands correct here. And the last one is the most sneaky and catches most unsuspecting investors, and it is giveaways. Now, giveaways have been around for a while. They work by convincing a victim they won a prize, and they need to verify their account details in order to receive the prize. The scammer instructs the victim to first deposit some crypto into the giveaway wallet to verify their account. However, because crypto transactions are irreversible, the victim loses their money as soon as they send it to the scammer's address. And because there is essentially no customer protection on any crypto platforms, it cannot be retrieved. And of course, there was no prize. Now, if you got a random email saying you won something and you have to deposit crypto to claim the prize, that is an obvious scam. However, scammers have took this to the next level by disguising as large respectable crypto platforms to conduct the giveaways. So even if a large crypto platform wants you to participate in a giveaway where you first have to add crypto to confirm your wallet address, this is a red flag that it's a scam. So what other types of scams do you know of? Let me know what other scams you have seen. We want to hear your comments, and also if you'd like to know more about how to make money while investing in crypto, watch the 2 videos right here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.